Hello guys, and welcome to my channel Linux Junkie. Before we get started, please like, share, and subscribe and hit that bell icon. Let's get started. So today we are going to see how to install Discord for Linux Mint. Most of the steps are identical for other Debian-based distributions as well. Also, all the commands will be provided in the description box as well. First, open your browser and type download Discord. Go to the official website and head to the downloads page. Here, select the Debian installer and wait for it to download. Now, open the terminal. Change the directory to downloads and list out the contents. Type sudo apt install and then the package name. Wait for it to finish the install. Now, there are some unmet dependencies, which means we need to install a few more packages for Discord to run. Type sudo apt fix broken install and that's it. We have installed Discord on our Linux machine. Open Discord and give it the keyring access and wait for it to update. Finally, we can see that Discord has been installed successfully on our Linux machine. The second method is to install using Snap Package Manager. If you don't have the Snap Package Manager, then I have a dedicated video for that. Just simply type sudo snap install Discord and let the installation complete. Now, we can open Discord. So, it has been installed. Thanks for watching. Watch more videos by clicking above and subscribe.